Welcome. Are you ready to discover the most exciting home decor trends of 2025? In this quick guide, we'll unveil 5 transformative ideas that are reshaping interiors this year. Whether you're planning a full remodel or simply updating your space, these trends will help you create a home that's stylish, functional, and future-ready. Let's dive in. Trend 1. Sustainable and eco-friendly design. First, sustainability takes center stage in 2025. Eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, recycled fabrics, and natural stone are becoming essentials. But it's not just about the materials. Energy-efficient solutions such as LED lighting, solar panels, and smart thermostats are also key. By embracing sustainable design, you're not only creating a beautiful home, but also supporting a healthier planet. Trend 2. Biophilic design. Next, let's bring nature indoors with biophilic design. This trend focuses on creating a strong connection to the natural world through indoor plants, vertical gardens, and natural materials like wood and stone. Large windows and open layouts maximize sunlight, transforming your home into a serene and rejuvenating space. It's a perfect balance of style and wellness. Trend 3. Maximalism. Say goodbye to minimalism. Maximalism is here to steal the spotlight. This trend celebrates boldness with vibrant colors, rich textures, and statement patterns. Think jewel tones, dramatic wallpapers, and layers of decor that express your personality. Maximalism isn't about clutter, it's about creating a space that tells a story and feels alive. Trend 4. Bold marble and stone accents. For a touch of luxury, bold marble and stone accents are a must-have in 2025. Imagine veined marble countertops, intricate stone backsplashes, or statement walls that add depth and sophistication. Pair these materials with warm tones for contrast, or keep the decor minimal to let the natural beauty of the stone stand out. Trend 5. Vintage and retro revivals. Finally, let's take a nostalgic journey with vintage and retro revivals. Mid-century modern furniture, bold geometric patterns, and timeless color palettes like mustard yellow and teal are making a big comeback. To keep it modern, mix retro pieces with contemporary accents like sleek lighting or abstract artwork. This trend is all about blending old charm with new vibes. Conclusion. And there you have it. 5 stunning home decor trends for 2025. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.